Now I'll teach you how to do pairing. Suppose for starting I have taken for three variable, like this is A, B, C. Again in three variable, how many boxes are there? 8 boxes are there. Suppose there is one here and we have to do pairing for this one. Okay. This is A bar A, this is B bar C bar, B bar C, B C and P C bar. Do you know how to do pairing? Okay, if one are side, like this is your friend, this is your friend, one you both are your friend, like so suppose this is your classroom, okay, and you both are girls and you both want to make friend with each other, so you friend with each other. Now see how can we do pairing and what is the answer for this? What is the common in this? Two friends, that is A bar, right? A bar is common in these two friends. Again B is also common in these two friends, and C with the C bar would be cancel out. It is a short trick. Basically what happens, if I'll write down the individual expression for this one, that would be A bar B C, correct. If I write down the simplified expression for this term, that would be A bar B C bar. Okay, now we have to add these terms. After adding these terms we can get A bar B as a common, right? So what's left inside, that is C plus C bar, and you know according to the boolean expression C plus C bar is equal to 1 only, right? C plus C bar is equal to 1. So what would be our final answer? That is Y is equal to A bar B, correct? We can get this y is equal to A bar B directly also. I told you the direct trick, that whatever the term is common, suppose here A bar is common, write down A bar, and from seeing the above side B is common, so write down B. C and C bar would be cancelled out. This is your final answer. Okay, we'll take only one term.